Okay, so now we're on the phone with Scarlett.
Hello.
Let's open it. Oh no. There we go. Okay, there we go. And now we're going to open the middle. I like the tape. It's moon and stars. What the?
It's a return envelope.
Oh,
In case there's anything you don't like or anything that doesn't fit you, we can send it back.
I got some.
Don't look at that yet. That tells you what's in your box.
Oh, okay. We won't look at that. Let's open this one.
Oh, here, you can open. Nah, you open it first. What you got?
Ooh. This is very soft.
I think I might have the same shirt. Wait. That's pretty.
It's very comfy and it's like a rainbow.
What does it say?
It says, love, kindness. Oh, more kindness. In cursive. Okay, let's see. Ooh, and all pink. Yes. And this is what I needed.
Okay, that is cute.
Mine. My favorite color. Ah! Their clothes are very soft. The clothes are so soft.
You should wear that to play pickleball.
That actually might be cute to play pickleball with. Okay, let's see. What are you doing?
Just trying to see if the volume was up all the way.
Yeah.
Oops.
I got this cute butterfly dress. It has pockets.
Ooh. That's pretty.
I love this. Ah! Okay, what else did I get? I got this cute little dress.
Oh, that's
Ooh,
cute.
this one
I
is cute.
like that.
Actually, really cute. See, oh my God, these are so. This is a cute skirt.
I have the same exact skirt.
I love this skirt.
I have the same exact one.
Now we have the same skirt.
I got that for mine.
I like this skirt. It's actually really cute.
I have.
Let's open the next one. Oh no, I teared it, but who cares? Oh my God, the first shirt is so pretty. Bruh,
Oh my god. That's also good to put pickleball on too.
I love
That's
this.
cute. I have a purple one of those.
Ooh, I like the little design right here. This is my favorite part, the design.
That's cute.
Their clothes are so soft. See what this is. Ooh. It's a little crop top, my favorite.
Oh my. That's cute. I like the shoulder.
I might wear this tomorrow. But this cute crop top, I love crop tops. So cute.
Wait. Oh, I don't know if that'll match your skirt you bought.
I don't think so. Let's see, we got some. This is so cute. I love this.
That's
Ah!
That's
This is
cute.
so cute. This dress is so soft too.
It's not a dress.
What is it? Oh, a shirt.
No.
No,
It's a romper. God,
It's very
I love this romper.
Yeah.
This romper will be one of my favorites.
That's pretty. Also good to play pickleball in.
Yep. Ooh.
Those
I got matching shorts and matching top.
I think those are pajamas.
Actually might be.
Yeah, they look like a pajama set.
I got pajamas. So cute. Got the cute shirt and then the cute bottoms. This might be one of my new favorite pairs.
I'm in the outfit I was in yesterday.
Neat.
Yeah.
And oh my god, I love these shorts. I love them.
Oh, that's cute.
It even says it has a sticker on it that says super stretchy, super comfy, super soft. These do feel soft. Ah, so cute. I love it. So I'm gonna try the outfits on one by one. This is my first outfit. It's very comfy. I like it.
That's nice.
Soft.
Those are definitely pajamas.
I like this one in general because it's very soft. I like that it's very soft. That's the part I like about it. They're to die for. This is my next outfit. I like it. Especially the jean shorts. So got that sticker on it. I like the jeans and they have a bunch of, well, 2 fake pockets and 2 real pockets. And I like the top because I like the flowers on it. The flowers are my favorite part. Yay. This is the third one. It's a cute flower romper. I love it. Especially since it has the green. Aqua. Kind of color. Got the blue. We got pink, we got white, we got yellow. And I really like it because it's very soft, comfy. Ooh, it even has pockets. Fashionable. So this is the 4th outfit, or the 5th, 4th or 5th outfit. And I like the skirt and the little shirt. I like the, right here, the shoulders, that they kind of go like, oh, maybe they're rolled up. Nope, they're not rolled up. But I like it. And how comfy it is. It just feels so soft. Even the skirt. The skirt, I like about it because of all the rainbows and suns. Especially this one because it's like a watermelon. Oh, my Jessica socks in. And here's the back of it. Well, here's the back of the skirt too. And then I like it because it's very soft. I like the rainbows. I like that it's colorful. And I like that it says more, I don't know what it says, kindness, more kindness. That's what I like about it.
It looks comfy.
So now we've got the 5th outfit. We still have the same skirt on because it matches. And we have this cute pink top. And I like because my favorite color is pink, so of course I would wear this because it's pink. And then as I said earlier, because of the skirt, I like there's also like animal prints on here, which I really like that there's like some animal prints. And I like the back because like right here has like a little like design right there. And that's what I like about it. And this is our sixth outfit. Of course, we still have the skirt, but we have this pink tie-dye top. It's a light pink, and I like the back because, like, the front and back, especially the front because it has this cute little design. And I like it because it has, like, white and pink, and pink is my favorite color, and it makes it look tie-dye. And I like tie-dye. That's one of my favorite things. So yeah, that's all. This is our 7th outfit. So we got this cute dress, and when you spin, it's good at spinning. And I like that it has a little button in the back, right there. It's a button. And I like that it has like stripes, flowers, blue, and that's what I like about it. It's very pretty. We got this pretty dress next. Got some cute pockets, and it doesn't spin much, but I still like it because it's almost like the other one, just instead of blue right here, it's white, and instead of white going across as the stripes, it's black. And this one has cute butterflies and the other one has flowers, but I like this one a lot. I got some cute pockets I can use, and I like that about it. It's very comfy. So, I might not have picked out any outfits I didn't want to keep, or I have picked outfits I want to keep. But the answer is to not wanting to keep is 0. And to all keeping, well, to keeping is all of them. So I picked all of the outfits because they're very comfy, they're very cute, and I love them.
Yep.
And that's all. So subscribe and make sure to watch my shorts too. My shorts. Subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!